BNAI is experiencing intense community interest following the recent closing of the significant AI licensing partnership in Africa, which bulls are pointing to as a catalyst for a massive short squeeze with extremely high cost borrow rates and a low float. The stock is drawing fervent speculation for substantial upside amidst a no sell movement among eager retail traders. Okay. Yesterday, the 9th of March, the stock lost 25.45%. Before then, it had a six straight session of non-stop gains. Yeah, so it's just cooled off from those highs. Cooled off from those highs. Yeah. Yeah, let's see now what we have. Lower prices are expected to continue to print going all the way towards Monday the 30th. As a matter of fact, it's expected to begin to consolidate from the 17th. Okay, so yeah, it has had a massive expansion, and look at that borrow rate I mentioned, 464%. Surely it might be worrying short sellers, it may be worrying them, I believe also it has effective, but well, over the last 50 trading sessions, the float has it's no longer that small. But I think it's a stock that has a low float. I think so. Let's see what we have. We might be able to find some of that data concerning the stock here. That's 2.75. That's small. 2.75. Yesterday, it, yeah, 1.4. Yesterday was 1.4 million. 1.3 million, yes. 2.8, yeah, 813,000, yes. Float is tiny, but there may have been a day it had a massive, it may have had a huge volume on one of the past days over the last 50 trading sessions. It may have had 14 million. It may have had a huge volume, 33 million, 43 million. Yeah, so I think we have yeah, some of the last a couple of three we just saw 3 days that had huge volumes. They might have skewed the average, but it's known for its low float. Okay, so yeah, low prices are expected. We don't have any pivotal downward or upper projections. We have some projections here. We have 80.99, 101.35, 133.86, 153.94. What has see what happened here when it had this expansion as of early January, the algos were not projecting anything to the upside. They were projecting this downward projection because the stock went into a parabolic phase. It was out of scope of what the stock understood about the company, about the company. Based on the data it has, based on the trading figures and the trading data it had, it didn't have any reason to justify or to begin to project high prices. This was as of the 28th of January. That was its 52-week high. But the stock pulled back, consolidated for a while, and then resumed again. So when it resumed again, the algos began to calculate because it now understood what was going on. It had enough data, and it still reiterating those sort of levels. So going by what it has done before, it's indicating that 80.99, 101.35, 123.86, 153.94 may print, but I think it's a big stretch. It's a big stretch. But never say never, never say never. Let's see now what they had an intraday high of late. $60. This was as of let's see what we have. $60 was as of we might be able to get a date down here. This was as of the 6th of March, Friday the 6th of March. Yeah, that was the sixth day. That was the sixth day. That was the $6. Yeah, that was the last day of non-stop rally. But even before then, it was actually the strength actually picked up from it printed the bottom on the 10th of February, and then the uptrend began since then. So right now it's showing a lot of strength within a longer term. Technically, it is trending bullishly. Yeah, trending bullishly. Technically, it is trending. Yeah, it is rallying. Yes. Yeah, but of late, of course, yesterday contracted within. It was showing some weakness within a longer term bullish trend, but technically it is rallying. And before, as of Friday, it was showing a lot of strength within a longer term bullish trend. So the reason why it's still rallying is technically rallying is because we have the structure intact. The fastest moving averages are leading. The fastest moving averages are leading in the upward direction, in the bullish direction. Yeah. So yeah, I don't think it has any weekly data. No, it doesn't have. Yeah. Let's see. Do we have projections here? We do have. We have. Okay, 11.91. So it's also good to observe that this is also something that might happen. And then 72.90 as well. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of BNAI. Is the question is this pullback a buying opportunity? Let's see now. It may well be. Okay, so here we are looking at the prospect of a bounce coming up from now up till Wednesday, up to tomorrow. So a bounce is possible today according to this 4 hour chart. And then we have a projection here, some projections here. We have 45.71, 52.27. They're both upper projections, yes. But yeah, it's the algos are saying on this 4 hour chart that there's a chance that we might bounce. Another thing we could also look at is the market greed. Let's see. Market greed will also give us a range of possible prices. Let's see what we have. We have between 45.24 and 37.70. Okay, it's currently trading at 41.46. Yeah, 45.24. It's something that can happen. So it's a low fruit stock. And I think if the further back it pulls, then the better the opportunity. But we don't have an alignment with the 10 and 21 period moving up. The 10 with the daily and the 4 hour chart. We don't have an alignment. The 4 hour chart is the daily chart is saying that it's going to be a down day. But you never know. It may still be it may still be a down day. It may still, yeah, it may well be, or the rest may be the case. Yeah, but let's see now. Has it done anything yet? It's unchanged, still unchanged for now. But if it pulls back, then I think the opportunity will improve. But there's also no guarantee that because it pulled back and spiked, that it will do that again. So yeah, that's what's going on right now, and let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So on this 4 hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that we might have a bounce today, but also there's no guarantee that that will be the case. It has ample room to the upside. It has ample room to the upside. 25.45% looks like a buying opportunity, but it could also print lower prices. We've seen that already. We've seen that already right now, and it's currently at let's see 41.61. So it's in between the resistance and the support. So possible lower prices could still print. Lower prices could still print all the way down to 37.7. Let's see now. And that is what we have here. The algos are saying that lower prices is what we should expect. Yeah, lower prices is what we should expect. Yeah. Okay, but let's see how all of this will go. And thank you very much for watching this video.